Hey guys. So I got some plants today at the castle by my house, and they had them on for $2.97, which is a crazy deal for these beautiful, beautiful succulents. So first we have, just move them out of the way. First we have the Echeveria Gray Red, little Ilgans, which is super pretty and plump. Then I have the Echeveria Blue Prince, which is also super beautiful, and the Echeveria Pearl von Nuremberg, which I have one of these already, but it's getting really leggy that I decided it was time for a new one. So, to start, we're going to take our Pro Mix cactus potting mix and fill up our little pots, and then we are just going to go to town. Also, don't mind my hands. I was spray painting a little table that we have that I just bought as a plant stand, and as I was spray painting it, the spray paint just went insane and just covered my hands. So my fake nails are ruined, but that's okay. I am getting tired of them anyways. So this, I'm just move that aside. Just pushing all the dirt up on the sides to make a little nest for the succulents, for all of our little echeverias. Alright, that's just the way I like to do it, so that they have a little like empty nest for them to go into. And then I'm just going to loosen these puppies up. And just break the root memory a little bit so they don't get too stuck in their way. And then I'm just gonna push them in, and I'm gonna need a lot more dirt than I have. So I'm gonna put that in and really push it down in against the root bulb. I'm trying to have this one be as centered as possible. And as you can see, we're out on the deck again. So we just have to clean up whatever mess we make, which is fine. We'll do that. No problemo. Number one done. I'm just going to put the extra dirt in there. I don't know where these succulents are from. I know that the town in the one Lore, the succulents are all from a place in Sydney that supplies them. So next we're going to do the Echeveria Gray Red. These are all pretty damp, which is a little bit worrisome. Not worrisome, but just weird. Normally when I buy succulents, they're like so dry that as soon as I get them home, I'm like soaking them in water. Yeah, no. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I just can't believe how cheap these were. Like I said to the lady, like, you're like $4 under the price of everywhere else that sells these, you know? And she's like, I know, they're so cheap. And she said they just got them in today. So that was perfect timing. I was not intending to go succulent shopping, but it happened. Make sure you get them nice and tight in there. Alright, and then we're on to our blueprints. So pretty. Oh, this one's a little bit more rooted. Interesting. And also, like, I'm really trying to, like, work up the nerve to talk louder in these videos, but right now I film on my deck, and our deck is like an L shape to other people's decks. So I just feel really awkward about, this one's too low, about talking really loud, because they can hear me and see me if they were to go out on their balconies. So right now, this is where we're at, volume-wise. Let's grab some extra foil. Guys, look, oh, damn it. Oh, my pants. Alright. So this is the super quick video of me just planting up these 3 succulents. I hope you guys enjoyed. Here we are. Our 3 final little babies in the sun, enjoying themselves. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Check me out with my, wait, well actually, just one sec. This is the shirt I found today, and I love it. It's just amazing. Okay, bye guys.